Hey, this is Garrett with ULA Equipment, and in this video we're talking all things frame stays in your Catalyst backpack, so stay tuned. Before we get started, you're going to want to have a marker and an open table corner to work with. You do not need to remove the frame stays from your Catalyst backpack when it comes to reshaping the pack. However, if you do need to remove your frame stays for any reason, here's how. Step 1. Unzip the framing stay from the housing. Next step, prepare the frame stays for marking. Be sure to leave just a little bit exposed and don't pull them all the way out. Now we're going to grab our marker and you want to mark the front and the top facing part of the frame stay. Now we can remove our frame stays. To reinstall, simply slide the frame stay back in the sleeve and re-zip the housing. If you forgot to mark your frame stay before removing it, you'll need to know that the top is the long side of the frame stay while the bottom is the short side of the frame stay. You can determine the correct side of the frame stay by holding it in front of you, and the top front side should bend away from you while the bottom back side bends towards you. When it comes to reshaping the pack, you're able to move the center of the pack away from your body and the top and bottom ends closer towards you. To do this, you're going to use the leverage of the table corner and make sure that the front panel is on top as you curve around the frame stays. On the flip side, you can also bend the center towards you and the top and bottom away from you. To do this, you're going to want the back panel to face the top, and you're simply going to work the curvature around the table corner.